Presenting the Redmi 9. The phone comes in color options of carbon black, sky blue and sporty orange. The phone has display of 16.58 cm, 6.53 inch, and 1600 by 720 pixels resolution. 268 pixel density and 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone also has HD Plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen. It has 13+2 MP rear camera and HDR Pro mode. It has 5 MP front. It has a eye portrait and AI scene recognition. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium-polymer battery. It has 4 GB RAM, expandable memory up to 512 GB and it supports 64 GB storage, dual SIM and dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on Android V10 operating system. It is powered by 2.3 GHz Mediatek Helio G35 octa-core processor. It also features dual SIM, GPS and music player, video player, and proximity sensor. The delivery box contains Redmi 9, power adapter and USB cable. SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.